Hello, I am your captain, once again as famed Welsh comedian and taskmaster extraordinaire, Greg Davies. If you are receiving this message, then that means you are among the elite intellectuals who know that Taskmaster is returning to the Owen Sound and North Grey Union Public Library this fall. This also means that you have the exclusive opportunity to gather your favorite friends and resources and sign up to compete in unmatched acclaim of becoming the second ever Library Taskmaster Team Champions of Owen Sound. Do you think you have what it takes to pit yourselves against the wits and wiles of the likes of myself, an unsleeping assistant? Well, you can register your team of 4 or 5, compete in our thrilling tasks, and find out in front of our very much alive audience for yourself if you are up to the challenge. Register with my assistant Nadia, who will doubtlessly be thrilled to hear from anyone in the outside world, through the Owen Sound and North Grey Union Public Library website, and prepare yourselves for the tasks ahead. From one blazer filled with an infinite amount of rubber ducks to another, I am bubbling with anticipation to watch you struggle and succeed.